Good morning, Grommy. Today is Saturday, June the 20th. And I think we're a little bit past morning. But we're going to get after it anyways. We'll get around back here and check out the plants. I'm going to harvest a bunch of these squash and we'll have for supper. We're going to get it on. I love my candies, man. I love them. Beautiful flowers, ain't they? Holy crap. Look at there, Grummy. I almost missed it. This damn thing must have come up yesterday, last night, after that rain we had. Night before last. I almost missed it. I'm going to let her go for today. Give her one more day. I'm going to take her down in the morning. Yeah, I was a little worried about my chicken in the woods. They've been popping up here every year for over a decade. I didn't see one this spring. There she be. Yummy for the tummy. Hell yeah. I'm a happy camper now. Hold on. Okay, dokie. Whoo, that's the jalapenos. My canis. Okras. More jalapenos, I do believe. Brussels sprouts. Still looking good. Don't see no buggies. I'm going to be harvesting these here in just a minute. I'm going to get you off cam, take the cam off of that. I'll bring you back after I get them whacked. These are my red and green bell peppers. They're coming on. I find that odd. I got the same thing over on the other side. I get one that does is big and one small every time. I don't know why, but that's how it happens. Same thing over here by the cucumbers. I'll whack these boys. Everything's thirsty. I have not watered anything this morning. Got some more tomatoes coming on. Good God, it's steaming out here. It's about 12:30. Getting everything ready. Oh. Go in and look at the Slurrilla real quick. I got an IPM Slurrilla tomorrow night. I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna defoliate real good. Take a lot of them bigger leaves off, especially down below. I'll thin her down some. I'll get inside and let me get inside here and give you a close up. I can't see nothing. I'm blinded by the light. Yeah, I think we'll be all right with. I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about her going to no crazy ass re-veg, which would be fantastic. I ain't trying to blow this thing up. Not this year. If I can just get her to finish out like she is right now, I'll be a happy camper. But yeah, we still got a few spider mites. I'm gonna knock some of this. I'm gonna do some defoliating. Open her up a little bit so I can get it done. 3 rounds. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. We ought to have her done in Tuesday. I'm just gonna tomorrow and Monday. I'm just gonna, oh damn it. Let me see if I can get this hummingbird off. He just took off. I'm just gonna mix a half-gallon batch. And I'm just gonna do this Florella Z. And Tuesday I'll mix a whole gallon batch and I'll IPM everything. Be back on regular schedule. I kinda let it get away from me. And the spider mites bit me in the ass. All right, let's go check out the rest. Okay, dokie, yeah, they thirsty. Kids are thirsty. This is Mr. Man's blueberry. Let me go put you on a stand here. We'll whip out the measuring tape, see where she's at now. Speaking of Mr. Man, he ought to be getting the American Beauty Berry cuttings today. She's a little limpy. A little limpy. What would she be? Oh, 4'3", 51 inches at the momento. Get these kids watered up. Cut these veggies, and we'll be good to go. Hold on. Dag nabbit. I got that little bastard. Fucking earwigs. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna some more Crop Defender 3, mix a little small batch just for this one damn Brussels sprout plant. This is the only one that's got them damn earwigs. I'm gonna do something. Captain Jack's dead bug or some Crop Defender 3. Be what it be. Good golly. I reckon I'm gonna cut that damn cucumber down. Got a little baby right there right beside it. I'm just gonna whack it, I reckon. Looks like I need to whack that one back there too. You're getting a little yellowish. Yep. Need to water these kids up. Got anything going on in here? I don't see none. This one here is spacing out nice. As soon as them little bottom ones get about a half-inch thick, half-inch round, I'm gonna top it. Ooh. Cast parody form. Got another cow mag round coming up here Wednesday, I think. This K is Rock Melon Haze. Alright, I'm gonna get over here and cut these veggies. Call it a wrap. I gotta get busy. These kids are thirsty. Okay, dokie. I reckon that'll make a meal. Yeah, it's my second picking on the yellow crooknecks. Anyways, hopefully things will pick up. It be what it be. Have a fantastic weekend, Grummy. I gotta get busy. I'm out of here. Peace.